And now our learning objective 7 is prepare a selling and administrative expense budget. So let's explore this. So at Royal Company, the selling and administrative budget expense is divided into variable and fixed cost, fixed component, sorry. The variable and selling administrative expenses are 0.50 per unit sold, fixed is 70,000, and fixed administrative and selling expenses include 10,000 in cost, primarily depreciation, which is a non-cash outflow of the current month. So let's prepare that. So budgeted sales, we have 20,000 for April. We know that the variable rate is 0.5. So our variable expense is 10,000. Fixed is 70,000. So how much actually we pay for our selling and admin expenses will less the non-cash, which is the depreciation expense, 10,000. So in our April, the cash payment for selling and administrative expenses 70,000, right? So similarly, if we want to find out for the quarter, so we just need to further elaborate this one. So this 230,000 came from, we just add all the material here. So I just want you to pause the video and try to solve by yourself these calculations, right? So I'm just giving you the hint. In May, the sales, budget sales 50,000, June 30,000, which is multiplied by 0.5, which is 25,000, and 15,000. We add 70,000 here. It is 95,000, 85,000. We less non-cash expense, so 85,000 and 75,000. If we add all these, we'll get to 30,000. This amount, right? And now let's talk about our learning objective 8, which is prepare a cash budget. So a cash budget is divided into 4 sections. Number 1 is cash receipts section, in which you record all the cash inflows except the cash from financing activities, because that is, we have a separate section for financing section. The next one is cash payments or disbursements sections, which includes all the outflows except the repayments for principal and interest, means all the financing costs, because we have separate section here. And the third one is cash excess or deficiency section, which determines whether we have surplus or we have a need of money or we need to borrow the money. The last one is financing section, which only tells you about the payment of interest and getting loans or finances.